Are you curious about Bear and Obsidian? Let's find out which note taking app is better for you. In this video, we'll compare Bear and Obsidian. Both are popular tools for organizing notes, but they work in different ways. Bear is designed for simplicity. It offers a clean interface and focuses on writing. You can easily create notes and organize them with tags. It's great for quick thoughts or longer pieces. Bear also supports Markdown, which helps with formatting. Obsidian, on the other hand, is all about connecting ideas. It uses a unique graph view to show how your notes relate to each other. This makes it perfect for more complex projects or research. You can create links between notes, making it easy to explore your thoughts. Now, let's look at the main differences. Bear is more user friendly for beginners, while Obsidian has a steeper learning curve. If you want a simple writing experience, Bear is the way to go. If you like to build connections between your notes, Obsidian is better suited for that. When it comes to features, Bear offers a beautiful writing space with a focus on aesthetics. Obsidian provides powerful linking and graph features, allowing for deeper exploration of your notes. Both have mobile and desktop versions, but Obsidian also allows for extensive customization through plugins. In terms of pricing, Bear has a subscription model, while Obsidian is free for personal use with optional paid features. So, which one should you choose? If you want a straightforward writing tool, go with Bear. If you need a powerful tool for connecting ideas, Obsidian is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.